Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Wanda, quietly be debt free. So, I'm going to talk to you and tell you about what is what is passive income, what is earned income, and just kind of compare the two. So, passive income versus earned income. So, I've got Pink Squeak and Pinky D. I've done some videos lately when I haven't had my go-to pens. Love pens. So I am just sitting here relaxing and I'm thinking about how I just want to share things that I know. I'm a teacher during the daytime, so I work as a teacher. I teach first grade and I love it. So anyway, I am going to just share some things. I share things on videos that I wish I had known when I was younger. So I'm trying to like put these videos out there so that people are learning. They're learning about doing things, about how to save money, make money, and be debt free. That's what my channel is all about. And I just go by my experiences as a mom, as a parent, as a person. So, anyway, let's get started. All right, so I said earned income versus passive income. As I told you, I'm a teacher. So I work 8 to 3:30. That is how I make my money. I trade my valuable time for money by going in to teach. So I am at work, I'm teaching all day, and then they give me a paycheck every 2 weeks. So that is my earned income. For you, you might go out and you might work 3 to 11. You might work from 7 to 2. You might work from 11 to 7. Whatever your shift is, you're going out and you're using your valuable time and you're trading your time for money. So that is earned income. Now, passive income. Passive income does require some upfront work. You set things up and then money comes in, and so it's passive because you're not there. You're not trading your valuable time for work. You could be asleep. You could be asleep and you're making money. You could be at your job, at your earned income job, working. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Hi, kids. And you're making money passively. So, with passive income, that's where people might have a blog. All right, a blog is something that you set up if you like to write. And so you write things, and then people will go to your website, and then you'll make money probably from ads or from things that you sell. So that's passive. When you go to eBay and you sell things on eBay, that's passive income because they're working for you to sell your things, and then you get the things sold that you have on eBay. Some people even get like residential properties. They get some kind of property and they rent it out, and that rental income is passive income. So there are a lot of ways that you can make some passive income. Even high yield savings accounts where you put your money into a savings account and you earn like I say 7 cents for every $50 that you put in there. And that 7 cents, that is passive income. And then when um when you invest, investing is a big thing. Now that's what I like to do personally. I like to invest my money, and then it grows, and I'm not doing anything. I just put the money in up front, and then the money grows, and that's how I get the dividends or the gains from that. So a lot of people like to invest. A lot of people like to invest in real estate, and so they get passive income that way. There are other ways that if you have a lot of money, you can do other ways. Like for instance, if you have a lot of money to like get a laundromat, which is out of my league, and you could just have a laundromat set up, and that's passive income because people will come and use that. Also, vending machines. If that's something that would work for you, where you could set up a vending machine somewhere, all you have to do is just fill your vending machine up and then have it in a location where there are lots of people. But those are some higher, more expensive ways to set up things and then have passive income. So there are many ways that you can do it. There are more ways than what I'm listing right here, but I just wanted to give you some examples. But investing is a way that I actually do it. Also, like some people that are bigger in YouTube, I'm a small YouTuber, but people that are bigger in YouTube, they might even get paid for ads, and also they get have different ways of things that they sell, so they get that passive income as well. So that is passive income. The main difference between passive and earned income is just that with earned income, you are trading your valuable time for money. But with passive income, you are not. You are not there. You don't have to be physically active in the exchange or the buildup of the money with passive income. But you do have to set something up in order for that passive income to come. So that is the difference. I hope that you understood that. If you did not, let me know. And also, if you have some ways that you earn passive income that I might not have thought of, or that you could add to a list that might help somebody, please put that in the comments because people are always looking for ways to make passive income. And I want to help. I want to help people. I want to help people to save money, make money, and be debt free. And as I always say, let's make footprints in this world and build a wealthy, debt free legacy. I'm Wanda. Thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.